Tanker and mixed fleet shipping companies are the backbone of the global energy supply. Today, we're going to look at 4 companies that operate in oil, product, and flexible fleets, and in some cases pay very high dividends. As always, I get the fundamental data from Investing Pro. You can find the link in my video description. Let's start with stock number 1, Hafnia. Here, my entry price was €4.40. In total, I hold 25 shares. Currently, there's a price gain of €5.28. That's over 50 weeks. Or rather, the 52-week low is at €3.07. The current price is €4.67. Analysts have set a target of €6.89 here. We currently have a dividend of €7.59, with a payout ratio of 95.68%. The company is in a very stable financial position. Hafnia is one of the largest product tanker operators in the world. Its unique selling point is its focus on clean products, such as gasoline, diesel, or chemicals. Here, we have a diversified customer base. The dividend policy. Currently, dividends are paid out quarterly. The target payout is over 60% of profits. At present, we have a solid debt ratio and high spot and forward contract rates. Hafnia is a prime example of a well-diversified product tanker player. Stock number 2, Ardmore Shipping, a specialist in chemical and product transportation. The unique selling point. Here we have a small, modern fleet that can quickly adapt to market conditions. The dividend policy is variable and depends on operational cash flow. Currently, we are seeing strong quarterly results benefiting from the increase in chemical exports. My entry price was €8.45. In total, I hold 12 shares. We have a price gain of €6.60 here. The 52-week high or rather. The low is between 7 and 17 euros. Analysts set a fair target here of €11.34. Currently, we have a dividend of 2.73%. The company is currently in a good financial position. Ardmore shines through agility and increasing demand. Stock number 3, DHT. Focus on VLCCs, very large crude oil carriers for crude oil transport. The unique selling point here is we have high spot market exposure directly benefiting from increases in freight rates. The dividend policy, quarterly and variable dividends depending on the spot market. A cyclical high-yield player, perfect for counter-cyclical entries. The purchase price was €9.05 per share, and I hold a total of 11 shares. Here we have a price gain of €6.50 and a dividend already received of €4.67. We see dividend growth of 38.8%. Over 3 years, that's even 103%. Over 5 years, 38%. And over 10 years, 31.24%, which is quite impressive. 52-week high or rather, the low is between 7 and 11 euros. Analysts have set a target here of €12.26. The current dividend is 8.61 with a payout ratio of 68.55%. Here too, the company is in a very stable position. DHT is for investors who go with the cycles and want to reap dividends during boom phases. Stock number 4, SFL Corporation, a mixed fleet consisting of tankers, bulkers, container ships, and offshore vessels. The unique selling point here is a long-term charter strategy. Stable income through diversified tenants. The dividends are paid quarterly, and there hasn't been an interruption for 19 years. Currently defensive in the shipping sector with lower volatility. My entry price was €7.83. In total, I hold 13 shares. Up by €1.27. I have received dividends of €2.18. We have 3 years of growth of 22.44%, and over 10 years, the dividend has increased by a total of 2.28%. The company has cut the 52-week high, or rather, the low was between 6 and 10 euros. Analysts have set a target here of €9.73. Currently, the company is not in a very good financial position. Here we have a dividend of 11.88% with a payout ratio of 264.92%. SFL is the dividend stabilizer in the otherwise very, very volatile shipping market. Tankers and mixed fleets are a very exciting addition to a shipping portfolio. That concludes our coverage of the shipping sector. We have now analyzed all the stocks in the shipping sector that I hold. Now that we've finished this series, we can focus on the next one. Currently, you'll find a poll in the post. There you can vote on which sector we should analyze next and which stocks I hold in my portfolio. And as always, this is not investment advice, but simply my personal strategy. I wish you successful investing. See you in the next video.